Hello, good day! Welcome to V5 Online Shop, Inc. Kamusta kayong lahat? My name is Sarah Rosario, and in this presentation, I will discuss with you the composition of the binary matrix and other important details upang matulungan kayong maintindihan ang mga paraan or paano kayo pwedeng kumita using the V5 platform. First, kilalanin muna natin ang mga taong nasa likod ng platform na ito. Yours truly will represent the company as the president, together with Mr. Alan Rafael as the vice president. So, binuo namin itong company na ito using our combined expertise in the online marketing, networking, and business process management field to help people earn money and have a sustainable source of income while in the comfort of your own home. Next slide is the legalities. So, binuo namin si V5 Online Shop last June 2020 lang, and then registered na tayo sa SEC last July 2020. For the other business permits and licenses, these are currently being processed. So, kindly stay tuned for our official announcements regarding the completion of fulfillment of other mandatory government-related requirements. Ways to earn. Discuss natin kung ano-ano mga paraan paano tayo kikita using this platform. We actually have created different methods on how our members can earn using this platform. First is through direct selling. So, you can enjoy up to 40% lifetime discounts on our V5 products. You just have to purchase a V5 package or through an entry fee for as low as 500 pesos. So, meron na ito equivalent na V5 product. So, for example, you purchased a rejuvenating set worth 380 pesos. Magpipili mo na lamang ito for as low as 228 pesos kasi member ka na. Next, we have our second method, the direct sales commission. So, tuwing makakabenta ka ng V5 package, may 10% commission fee ka na. So, for example, nakabenta ka ng 3 packages worth 1,000 pesos each sa isang araw lang. So, 1,000 pesos times 5, so equals 5,000 pesos. So, 10% of 5,000 pesos is 500. So, meron ka na agad na 500 pesos for a day. So, next, the third method is indirect sales commission. So, tuwing makakabenta ka ng V5 package from levels 1 to 10, magkakaroon ka na agad ng 1% commission of the total sales amount. Say, for example, ang total sales ng team mo is 50,000 worth of packages sa isang araw lang. Makaka-receive ka naman agad ng 500 pesos indirect commission fee. Remember, team mo pa lang yan ha. Wala ka pang efforts at hindi ka pa gumagalaw dyan. Our fourth method is through the binary matrix commission naman. So, sa binary matrix commission, this is a 2x4 matrix with binary income. There are 3 pairs per cycle in which the first pair and second pair payment goes directly to you. On the third pair, we have this auto-reinvest or auto-recycle. After this, gagawa ka ng ulit ng bagong matrix. Please take note that we don't have flush out or fifth pair systems. Our fifth method is through the VMAX matrix. So, this matrix is a 2x4x8 matrix. Yung first line, it directly goes to the upline or kay team leader. And then, the second line, which is equivalent to 50 pesos for each slot. Meron tayong 4 slots sa second line. So, this is total of a 200 pesos commission fee. For the third line, or equivalent to 150 pesos for each slot, we have 6 slots for the third line. So this is equal to 900 pesos commission fee. Okay, so there. So just like the other method, the last 2 slots, this goes directly to auto-recycle or to auto-reinvest. Okay, so last but not the least, we have the team sales commission. So every time na may magpa-purchase ng products mo under your team, magkakaroon ka na agad ng commission. To avail of the commission, there should be a maintenance point wherein kailangan mo mag-purchase ng V5 package so you can enjoy these benefits non-stop. Okay, so there. That's all. Please take note na ang V5 or VMAX Matrix and Team Sales Commission will become available by January 2021 pa. As we need to finalize the system development for the said income opportunities. And that is all for now. There, stay tuned sa ating Facebook announcements for the release of other learning materials for your reference and to also help you ace your income or earning opportunities through the V5 platform. Thank you. Goodbye.